Haits 3D Adjustment Cabinet Hinge is one of the most common hinges sold by our company in the European and North American markets. It can be customized to 45mm or 48mm cup hole spacing to fit European and American style cabinets. Our hinges are able to pass 50,000 cycles of opening and closing test and 48 hours of salt spray test. If you are using it for dark-colored cabinets, our new black hinges will fit your design better. We will pack 100 hinges bulk in an outer carton regularly. Plastic dowels, Euro screws, arm cover, cup cover, all of these accessories could be equipped on the hinge. "3D clip-on base for better adjustment of cabinet and door from 3 directions and quick installation and removal." If you have your own requirements for packaging such as printing, individual plastic bags, branding company, logo, and so on, please contact our sales manager for more details.